I'm here with Jacky Chen Jiang, EVP of Whale Cloud. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
So every business is adapting its strategy to cope with change and uncertainty. Can you tell us the digital strategy of Whale Cloud?
Thank you, for sure. The digital transformation, we have been discussed that for decades. However, I believe the pandemic actually driving the process of the digitalization of the whole society, given that the customers are embracing that in a larger scale. So any business, all the business basically, of any size, have to adapt themselves to these changes. So does Whale Cloud. So we have refreshed our strategy as to digital transformation 2.0. So comparing with the 1.0 version, it shines a light in following aspects. Firstly is to enhance the core connectivity for telcos. And secondly is providing innovative product and services in a reliable approach for delivery. So for the first point, the core connectivity are still the major commodity of the telco, with no doubts. So we are not only focusing on the consolidation or simplification of the IT architecture, for sure that's a very important part. But now we are more focusing on the outcome, the business outcomes for this transformation. With our open platform and rich plugins, for example, the digital channel management, the AI-based fiber optic network automatic designing, we're actually helping our customer to be more agile when they are facing this kind of changes. So can satisfy the demands from the customer in a faster and cheaper way. At the end of the day, it's an improvement on the return over the investment. And especially now, a lot of investment is coming back to the industry.
So looking globally, it's not easy to combine digital transformation and sustainable growth. I mean, what is your competitive edge here? How are you helping your customers?
Well, I think from following aspects. Firstly, we have evaluated our product stably for the last 10 years' time. So there is a lot of features and best practice globally has been merged into this version. And secondly, with this good product, we're actually providing to our customer with our global service network. We have more than 19 global compatibility centers, 50 local service centers, and over 2,000 global employees. So they are actually the core power for us to helping our customer to realize their business demands through our software with our services. And of course, we're talking about the new revenue streams for sure. Yeah? People are talking about the fintech, talking about the cloud business. Whale Cloud position ourselves as a bridge between the telcos with the hyperscalers. And also the approach is not just a buy and a sell kind of relationship. We can actually consider a lot of elements, including the local economic growth, marketing demand, competition situation to build up the business plan, the onboarding plan for cloud or fintech kind of business with the operator together. So we're more running like a partner rather than a vendor.
Could you tell us about some of the projects and initiatives that you've taken with your new strategy?
Oh yeah, for sure. There's a lot of projects go live as per the milestone during the pandemic and recently. In Netherlands, we're helping our customer to consolidate it, more than 60 systems, 300 APIs, everything into one consolidated OSS system. And we go further than that. At this moment, we are migrating this platform from a private cloud basis to a public cloud basis in a very controllable and safe way. In MTN, in Africa, they chose us, Whale Cloud Z-Smart Suite, to substitute one BSS platform for 13 legacy systems. And the most importantly, the rich API set provided by them is actually allow their partner to onboard or doing innovation in a cheaper and a faster way. In emerging markets like Myanmar or Philippines, we're helping our customer to develop the super apps and also relevant services, which can help them to gain tens of millions of subscribers within 2 quarters' time.
That sounds amazing projects. Look forward to hearing loads more about these in the coming years. Thanks very much for joining us.